Hey, it's Sandy, and in today's nail art tutorial, Miri and I will be showing you how to perfectly use nail art vinyls. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. To begin, start off with a base coat to protect your natural nails. This will help protect your nails from staining, and it will prolong the life of your manicure. Next, choose a base color for your manicure. We chose to use white. Once you've painted all of your nails, the next step is super important, and it's to apply a fast-drying top coat over your base color. This is because we will need the white to be completely dried before applying a nail vinyl over it so it won't smudge or peel off. To apply the nail vinyl, you will first need to remove it using tweezers. If the vinyl has little design pieces inside of it like this one, you can easily remove them by sticking it to the back of the vinyl sheet and then peeling it off again. There you go! Now that it's ready to use, just go ahead and line it up where you'd like it on your nail and press it down securely. You can then go in and cut off any excess with scissors and tuck down any ends sticking up. The first option for applying color over it is to simply paint over it using a nail polish. Make sure to really get in there and cover all of your base color. Then, while the polish is still wet, gently peel off the vinyl. You can then clean up any nail polish that got on your skin with a brush dipped into nail polish remover. On to the second way, which is by using a makeup sponge. Before you start this method, you can apply a liquid latex product around your nail to protect the skin for an easier cleanup. Once that's dried, just apply the color or glitter polish onto your sponge, and then you can sponge it over your nail. You may need 2 layers for best opacity. Then just peel it off and clean up any excess. The final option is to create an ombre on the sponge. Here we're adding 2 stripes of different colors next to each other onto the sponge, and then we're going to sponge it over the vinyl. Peel it off and you're left with a gorgeous gradient. Finish off your new manicure with a fast-drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. Which of these 3 nails is your favorite? The ombre, dark blue, or light blue? Let us know down in the comments. If you'd like to watch more awesome nail tutorials here on CutePolish, click the info card in the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.